Here's your hint. Start by reading the problem and identifying what is given. In our problem, we can identify a descent angle, a couple of different velocities, a mass, and then also a resistive force. Now we're going to diagram and identify all the forces on there. Object on the incline, we've got the weight going straight down, the normal force supporting, resistive force 1400 newtons. Now solve by setting up a Newton's second law equation. Parts A through D are the downhill, but E is the uphill. So read because you have different information given. So we're going to now diagram and identify still the same weight. And we still have the normal force. And we still have a resistive force, but it's a different value. But now there's a chain pulling the train up the hill, and that's what we're trying to find. Also note the difference in the angles. Set up your Newton's second law equations and solve down for the applied force. So whenever you're problem solving, read, identify, diagram, and solve. Ponder physics.